Okay, now play this on 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and... So it doesn't really make sense to break this riff up like a rhyme scheme with letters, because it's just one big long riff that you play 4 times. And none of the riff really repeats inside of itself, so it's basically just... What does make sense is to break the riff up into sections that are easy to count while you're playing it. A lot of this riff is a lot of syncopation. It's working around the beat, so it's kind of hard to count in a straight 4/4 if you're not used to doing this kind of weird syncopation stuff. It's very long, very slow. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into first 4 bars of 6 beats. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Then we're going to add 4 bars of 3 beats. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Still not at any kind of even divisible by 8 number there. Still out of 4/4. And then we're going to add 6 4 times back again. 4 more bars of 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That gives us 60. And then we're going to add 4. So 4 bars of 6, 4 bars of 3, 4 bars of 6, and a bar of 4 makes 64. And that gets you 1 time through the whole riff. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do in this riff is the 6s, which are basically just the 6s from the B section of the chorus riff, from the last riff we just learned. So it's like... Each one of those is 6 beats when you do it. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that 4th bar of 6 has a little bit more in it. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's basically the same at the beginning, 1, 2, 3. But then when you hit the second group of 3 within 6, that's only going to be 1, and then you're going to go back to 2 and then hit open. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that gets us into the 3s. So the 3s start at 5, and then you're going to hit 5 on your first 2 strings with your middle finger, because you're going to use your first finger next. So just 5 for 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, and then switch to this chord that we also used in the last riff, the 4, 5, 7, and that gets 3. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then for the third 3, you're going to take your first 2 fingers off and just play open, open, 7. And then for the last 3, you're going to move that note down to 4 with your first finger to 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So altogether, the 3 section will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go back into 6s. Okay, so the last 4 6-beat bars are definitely the most confusing out of this whole riff. And I'm going to play them for you real quick. Here's how this sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's really just open chugs with some triplets and this chord, which is open, open, and then 4 on the D string with your first finger. So that's to start. But let's take a look at this on paper real quick. Okay, so you've got the beats as you'd count them while you're playing at the top. Some lines in between the bars there just to get them away from the beats. And your frets. So 0 is going to be open on your first 2 strings, and the $sign is going to be the open, open 4 chord that I showed you a second ago. And if we play that real slow while counting the beats, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the last thing to do is the 4-beat bar. So I'm going to do that one more time, and I'm going to play the 4-beat bar after it just so it makes a little more sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're back to 1. So that last 4 beats that I haven't shown you yet, it's very simple. It's open on your first string for 1, the first beat, and then 2 for the second beat on that same string, and then for 3 you're going to bend 2 up and then slowly down all the way through 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and back to square 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Good luck.